Okay, in order to get started with cryptocurrency and generally in the crypto world, there is a step one, and the step one is that you need to find a place to purchase crypto. Okay? Now, in order to find these places, you can do very simple Google searches. Okay, so for example, if we type in, first of all, you got to know what exchanges there are out there to utilize, and there are hundreds of exchanges. And by the way, when we say exchanges, these are the places where you can buy cryptocurrency, and in most cases, you can actually sell cryptocurrency and convert it back to USD or fiat currencies. Fiat meaning typical currencies that we're living in right now. So first of all, I know a few exchanges myself. One of them is Binance. So if you type in Binance and press enter, there's the Binance website. Okay, so you click on it, and all it is with any single exchange is that the first thing you need to do is register. So you go to registration process, and you just go through, create an account. Oh, sorry, you need to basically, yeah. So for this particular one, this is what you need to do. They're telling you that give them your email address, a password, and then you can create an account through there. Okay, so that's one option, and there are many videos on YouTube. We can find out how to use Binance, how to purchase, how to sell, etc., etc. Yeah. Another one could be blockchain. Oh, sorry. Let's do this one. This is the easy one. Coin Mama. So Coin Mama is another very good one. If you click on it, it's so easy to use because the thing is you can actually buy right from Coin Mama and send it straight to your wallet. Okay, and if you don't know what wallets are basically kind of like your cryptocurrency bank that you own and you have total ownership of. Okay, one of the wallets that I use is Exodus. That is my favorite wallet, and this is the one that I'm going to recommend for you in the next video. But for now, all you need to know is that with CoinMama, you can send cryptocurrency directly to your wallet. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because I want to give an example of another exchange that we are in, and the exchange is called Coinbase. Okay, so if you Google that, you can find out. In order to buy a cryptocurrency on this and then send it to my Exodus wallet, which is basically, it looks like this. Yeah, this is my Exodus wallet. So in order to buy cryptocurrency from here and then send it to my wallet, I basically need to go to trade, and I need to say, okay, I want to buy $20 of Bitcoin. Okay. Now I've already got my cards already set up in here, my bank account card. So he's going to take money directly from my bank account, and I'm just going to go preview buy, and then I'm going to say buy now. Okay. Now I'm not going to do this right now, but I'm just telling you that's basically what you do. I'm in my back office. Now once that happens, I just simply go to portfolio, and this is a wallet that I've got within Coinbase. These are exchange wallets. So really, you don't really own these wallets outright. The exchange actually owns it. So you're just utilizing the exchange's wallet. So anytime you buy from Coinbase, the money gets transferred to your internal wallet. And then from here, you click on that, and then you can send it out to your external wallet. And you simply copy the address of your external wallet. Now, you're not sure about this, but I'm just going to quickly show you. If this is my Bitcoin wallet in my Exodus, if this is my Bitcoin in my Exodus wallet, and I want to receive money into this account, I'm just simply going to click receive. Okay, I'm going to have a big digit code appearing. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste that into here. I could put in a note saying Coinbase transfer, and then you just make sure it's Bitcoin, because you want to do Bitcoin to Bitcoin. If it's Ethereum, Ethereum to Ethereum. You don't want to do like Bitcoin to Ethereum, because then you lose that transaction and you lose the money. Okay, so I could do send all. That's how much I've got. That's not enough to make a transfer, so I'm not going to do anything now. And then you just click send. You follow the instructions, and it sends. Now, if you want to receive money into this, you can also receive money into this. Yeah. It's a very simple process. You just copy this address, or you can scan this QR code, and you can receive money into this wallet. Yeah? So if someone wants to pay you and you say, okay, I want them to pay me into this wallet, yeah, you just click the receive button, you give them this wallet address, and you pay and you send it to them, and they basically they will have to send from their end into this wallet address, and then you'll receive it in this wallet. It's a very simple process. So that's exchanges covered. Very simple. When you register with these companies, you have to go through the registration process. Each one has a different registration process, but most of them usually have KYC. So that basically means they need to verify your details. They need to see a picture of you holding a passport with a paper next to it saying Coin Mama with today's date, KYC written on it, and then you're holding that both up, and then you're taking a selfie of yourself. That's one way of doing KYC. Another way is that you just scan a passport copy for them to have for their records. So it's just security. Okay, that is the main purpose here. And so each exchange has different ways of doing it. I know there's other exchanges as well. If you go to Google and you type in I don't know, blockchain, you can blockchain.com, you can sign up with these guys as well, and buy and sell cryptocurrency from here. So there's so many different exchanges. They have different fees, but the fees are very, very small and minor, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so that is the first step in getting involved in cryptocurrency. I will be making another video to show you the second step. Thank you.